Sarura Kids. Pat, 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 pat. No, no,
I'm going to give you 4 seeds.
Oh.
Okay, maybe 5. I think that pot is big enough. And then, can you count those seeds for me?
1, 2, 3.
No, put them on the floor and count them.
1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5.
You have to touch each one at a time.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, well done. So what we'll do, we'll make 5 holes. Can you see where Mummy's finger is?
Yeah.
Wait a minute, look where Mummy's finger is. Look where Mummy's finger is. 1. And you can throw a sunflower seed in there. 2.
This one? I need to take my glove
Okay,
off.
yeah, just take your glove off.
Ow. Here.
3.
This one.
Okay.
Ow.
Yeah, she's throwing them in the hole. 4.
This one. The tiny one.
Yeah. And then 5 in the middle.
Here.
Yeah. And then Mummy's going to cover them.
Oh, but the other one not ready yet.
No, we cover them. Oh, you didn't put it in? Oh, okay. 5.
Oh,
And then we'll cover them. We have to cover up with more soil. Right. And then we're going to get our jug of water. All the way around, all the way around. All the way around, all the way to the edge of the watering can. That's it, all the way around. That's it, all done. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave them there and they will start to grow because we put water on them and we'll keep checking on them every so often and adding more water on them, okay?
yeah.
And we'll keep them here in the kitchen by the fireplace so we can keep a close eye on them where it's nice and warm. And once they start to grow, then we can start to get them used to being outside. And then our sunflowers can really, really, really grow. Yeah, but that's going to take a little bit of time. So, we'll see them later.